I don't know why I'm so nervous. Oh my god. Okay, okay, chill out. Just do it, Jackie. It doesn't matter. It's fine. You can always delete it. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, which a lot of people are, I'm Jacqueline. Today, I'm unboxing a pair of ears because they finally got here. I bought these on October 23rd, and I didn't receive them until today. But I will explain. The ears in question are from Moru Ears, which is now Moru Hiko. I think that's how you say it. And they are based in Russia, which I already knew the shipping time was going to be higher. I already knew the shipping time was going to be longer than like a shop based in the US or Canada. But then Russian customs decided that a specific batch of ears that were sent out around the same time were going to be stuck. People in the Facebook group have had the exact same experience that I have, and some of them have even bought ears at a later date and had those arrive sooner than their Halloween ears. So it was just really weird. It had been so long that I like low-key forgot what these ears look like. I thought they had white backs. They don't have white backs. They are Nightmare Before Christmas kitten ears. I paid $95 for the ears and $10 for international tracked shipping from Russia to the US, where I'm located. They're in this little envelope, and then they're in a box inside the envelope. So I gotta cut them out. All right, so here's the box. It is beat up by Russian customs because they held it for like a month, but it's okay. They're here. They're safe. They're in some cute little tissue paper. This doesn't feel like tissue paper. It's like weird tissue paper. Oh my god, bitch, that is so cool. Oh, this fur is thick. Okay, I need to brush these, but these are the ears. They are Nightmare Before Christmas themed, obviously. These are the little bows that came with. They have Mr. Jack Skellington on them. Little angel wings. They're super cute. So there's two of those, and they have the matching, I think these are Swarovski crystals. Yeah, they look like Swarovski crystals. Wow. Nice. So I'm gonna brush these out, and then we're gonna take a closer look at them. I'm back. Oh my god, speaking of things that I bought, look at how cute this is. Dude, this fur is like wildly soft. Recently, oh my god, I was so in love with this pair that Moru made. They were like this red sky, like tall fox pair. Obviously I don't really drive with taller ears, but they were so pretty and I was so tempted. But then I'm like, Jackie, you need to wait till your first pair comes in so you can see if you actually like them first. So far I'm very impressed. These are really nice. They're like, they feel sturdy and like thick. Oh my god. Do I actually really like these? Hold on, where's my phone? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, man. Uh-oh. I love this shape. I really do. It's so perfect. It's so perfect. Look at them. I literally don't have any words. These are so cute. This is dangerous because now I have a new shop that I'm gonna like stalk. Okay, so since I didn't put this in the beginning, Nightmare Before Christmas is one of my favorite movies ever. It's like kind of one of my comfort movies, so I was really excited to be able to get these. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would very much appreciate that. All of my social media will be linked in the description box down below if you want to come hang out with me. And other than that, I got nothing else. I got nothing else to say. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.